Mr. Synonym for Greatness. Me and them always talking on that kill. I may have lost my mind, but not my artistic skill. Flows like narcotics, I'm glad I copped the feel. All original, made I decided to out a deal. I don't need no puppet. Rapping my lyrics of me becoming a puppet. And then I go ghost. I'd rather people say fuck me. That's motivation. Hell, I was born cold, wild soul. Get it, attitude, had to be on the move. Smoke the suit, switch my style, look fly, and then I went places. Roses, center table, champagne, the fair baby. You can love me or hate me, that ain't gonna change if I didn't hit the tree. I don't know right now if I'd be here by your side talking with Jesus. When we meet again, but if we meet again, if we meet again, if we meet again, I tell you. If I didn't tell you before, bet your ass that I will now. Better now, I knew them, I stood up. That's willpower. Never can you play me. I can sniff it from a mile away. Hit it, then I'm gone. I ain't touch shit on my dinner plate. Snake through the movement, I penetrate with greatness. We all the same. Who you kidding? Who don't hear me's fake? Straight to the point, and I thank the joint. Left that joint in my hands full in another joint. She a pig like oink. While she turns up looking at me, I'm like, good, said, bro. I could go through the crowd and pick any girl that I want. I'm cool, mysterious. She wanna guess my fragrance. I play, tease. That's a stranger in danger. But baby can hit the dude and then put down the bottle. We get in it wild till the sun come up. Same when we meet again, when we meet again, when we meet again, when we meet again. Do it again. Do it all over again. Mr. Synonym for Greatness, y'all. Always. True.